my 7,000 all dividend stock portfolio. Let's jump into it. Welcome back to the channel, Mike the Investor, helping you invest in yourself by sharing my journey and inspiration. If this is your first time here to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any more videos. Let's go ahead and jump on the laptop and check out the Robinhood portfolio. So as we take a look at the Robinhood portfolio value, we can see it is sitting at $7,004.67. On today, I was up $14.91, which is 0.21%. As we go over to the week, I am up $187.59, which is 2.75%. As we look at the 1 month, I am up $292.23, which is 4.35%. So that is a pretty nice gain so far for the month. We hit the 3 month and I am up $624.50, which is 9.79%. So a really nice gain on just the 3 month there. And as we go over to the 1 year, I'm currently up $807.27, which is 13.3%. And my all-time should be about the same, which it is because I haven't invested a full year yet. So as we go back over to the 1 year, we're going to hit the graph, and I always like to show this just so I can be as transparent as possible. So as we're looking at April 18th right now, you can see there is nothing moving in the stock market. So now it is April 23rd, and as I move over to the 24th, you can see that's when I originally started investing in the stock market. So it has been about 9 months since I've been investing in the stock market. The portfolio has reached 7,000, and that is just from me reinvesting all of my dividends, capital appreciation, and me investing every single month doing my normal deposits. So let me know down in the comment section how you feel the Robinhood portfolio is doing, and I'm hoping you all are having just as much success as I am, because that's what it's all about, is sharing our ups and downs and our successes with each other as well. So let's go ahead and dive into my individual stocks. So on my last Robinhood portfolio update, I showed the graph to break down each individual holding. On this update, I'm going to dive into each individual stock so that way we can actually get a better look at it. So let me know down in the comment section which style you all like better. So as we take a look at the first stock here, it will be Procter & Gamble, and I have 2 shares of Procter & Gamble. My average cost for 2 shares is $109.98. My total return is $33.06, which is 15.3%. We're going to go back so we can look at the next stock here, and it is Johnson & Johnson. I have 2 shares of Johnson & Johnson as well. My average cost $129.57. My total return $39.21, which is 15.13%. We're going to go back here, and the next stock that we're looking at is Coca-Cola. I have 6 shares of Coca-Cola here. My average cost $52.15. Total return $28.39, which is 9.7%. ABM, I have 5 shares of ABM. As we go down to the position here, my average cost $37.26. My total return $12.64, which is equivalent to 6.78%. And the next stock we are looking at is ticker symbol MO, Altria. I have 4 shares of Altria. As we scroll down, my average cost $47.76, and my total return is $13.03, which is equivalent to 6.82%. The next stock will be Leggett & Platt. I have 2 shares of Leggett. My average cost $37.64. My total return $27.12, which is 36.3%. ADM, I have 4 shares of ADM. As we scroll down to the position, my average cost $39.02. My total return $24.93, which is 15.97%. As we scroll down, AT&T, I have 5 shares of AT&T. So I have been looking to add some shares into AT&T, and I probably will before the earnings call at the end of the month. They have some interesting news. It hasn't really affected the stock or anything like that. For one, they are no longer on the Roku platform with their AT&T Now program that they have. And number 2, they have been losing a lot of subscribers, and they have been trying to keep their churn rate down. So I'm curious to see what's going to happen in these next couple weeks going up into this earnings call. So as we scroll down to the position here, and you can see I have a pretty decent average cost at $31.25 on 5 shares, and my total return is $35.53, which is 22.74%. So I most likely will be adding some more into AT&T before the earnings call, and hopefully I can see some pretty decent capital appreciation from the earnings call as well. But if we scroll down a little bit, we can check out actually when this earning call is, and it is January 29th pre-market. So I'm very curious to see what's going to happen. They are always pretty much hitting that earnings per share right on the money, except for Q3 of 2018. They actually missed it by a little bit, but since then they have been on the money. So we will see what will happen with AT&T. And Aqua America is the last dividend aristocrat slash dividend king in my portfolio. I only have 1 share here, so we're going to go into the position, and Aqua America has just been on a tear. My average cost $39.86, and my total return is $10.71. And for some of you that may be wondering, Mike, why do you only have 1 share? Well, I didn't know that Aqua America was just going to completely take off like that, and I was trying to slowly start to add shares in, and then they just kept skyrocketing. So as we look at the 1 week here, you can see they are up 7.80%, which is crazy. We go over to the 1 month, they are up 11.33%, and this is a utility here we're talking about. So as we go over to the 3-month mark, they are still up 9.32%, and for the 1 year, they were up 48.4%. So you can really see why this stock has been constantly rising and constantly growing. But I'm hoping to see some type of pullback. But with the markets at all-time highs, I'm sure certain investors are going to start going to safer holdings and safer individual stocks. So we will see what will happen. But once I will get a chance to get that pullback, you best believe I will be adding some shares into Aqua America. So scrolling down to the next stock here, which will be Microsoft. I have 1 share of Microsoft, and as we scroll down to my position, my average cost $157.45. My total return $9.45, which is 6%. So I don't have to say too much about Microsoft. They are super solid. As you can see, their market cap is over $1.2 trillion market cap, and they are top 5 largest companies in the world. They have been growing that dividend for 10 years and counting. A solid company. They have outperformed the S&P 500 as well. I wish I invested into them a little bit earlier, but I will be starting to add into them slowly but surely. We are going to scroll down. After Microsoft, we are looking at Starbucks, and I have 4 shares of Starbucks here, and I don't have to say too much about Starbucks. My average cost $86.67. My total return $27.81, which is 8.2%. The next stock on the list will be Disney. I had 2 shares of Disney here, and I actually just purchased a share of Disney today. As we scroll down to my position, my average cost $136.77, and my total return is $15.53, which is 5.68%. Disney is a cash cow, a large growth company. They also have been growing their dividend for 10 years as well. And I believe Disney is definitely going to be around for the long term. So now we're taking a look at my largest return on equity holding, which will be PetMed Express, ticker symbol PETS. I had 10 shares. As we scroll down, my average cost $15.82. My total return $114.45, which is 72.37%. So this is a very solid company in my personal opinion. They have been growing their dividend for 10 years. They have outperformed the entire stock market during the last recession. And I actually did a brief overview on this company back when I was getting ready to purchase this company. So I would actually place a card up right here for you. And this was actually very early into my investing journey as well as my YouTube journey. So let me know what you think of that video. The next stock on the list will be Pfizer. I had 10 shares of Pfizer. And as we scroll down the position, The average cost is $39.05 on 10 shares. My total return, $14.93, which is 3.82%. The AES Corporation, I have 10 shares of them as well. This is a utility. As we scroll down, my average cost, $16.05. My total return, $44.50, which is 27.73%. As we look at Bank of America, I have 8 shares, and we scroll down to my position. My average cost, $27.16. My total return, $59.96, which is 27.60%. So after Bank of America, we're going to go to the new position in the portfolio, which will be the Royal Shell gas station. I bought 10 shares, which was more of a defensive play. So as we scroll down my position, my average cost $58.82. My total return, I'm currently down $2.79, which is 0.47%. So after share, we're going to look at the monthly holdings, starting with Realty Income. I have 10 shares. And as we scroll down to my position, the average cost $72.14. My total return is $42.08, which is 5.83%. After Realty Income will be Stag Industrial. I have 10 shares of them as well. As we scroll down to my position, be $29.89. My total return is $25.75, which is 8.62%. After taking a look at Stag, the next stock will be Innovative Industrial Properties. I only have 1 share currently. My average cost $73.86. My total return is $8.44, which is 11.70%. After Innovative Properties, we have Apple Hospitality REIT. I have 30 shares of Apple Hospitality REIT. As we scroll down to my position, my average cost $15.75. My total return is $6.56, which is 1.39%. The next position will be SPHD. I have 10 shares with them as well. This is PowerShares S&P 500 High Dividend Low Volatility ETF. My average cost $42.87. My total return is $14.77, which is 3.45%. And this is a complete value play here. They also pay monthly, which is pretty rare for an ETF. So the next and the last holding in my portfolio will be SPYG. So I have 1 value ETF and 1 growth ETF, and this one is SPDR, Portfolio S&P 500 Growth ETF. As we look at my average cost, $41.62. My total return, $23.25, which is 5.59%. So there are a few other holdings in my Robinhood portfolio, but as you can see, these are penny holdings here, and these are just from some of you using my Robinhood referral link. So shout out to all of you for using that Robinhood link again, and I hope you all got something cool. And if you are thinking about using the Robinhood platform and you haven't used it yet, go ahead and check out the link in the description and you can get a free stock as well. So let's go ahead and scroll back up the portfolio so that way you all can see all my individual stocks one more time before we get out of here. And I only have 23 holdings that I'm going to be keeping right now, and out of those 23 holdings, 2 of those are ETFs. 1 is a value holding, and then 1 is a complete growth holding. So let me know down in the comment section how you feel the portfolio is growing. Once again, as you can see, it is at 13.3%, so that is pretty nice growth, and that does not include my dividends either, because Robinhood does not include the dividends you receive in your capital appreciation. So it has finally reached that $7,000 milestone. My goal for the end of the year is $12,000. So depending on what the stock market does this year will really depend on how my portfolio does. But either way, I'm going to keep investing. Hopefully you all enjoyed this video. Remember to stay inspired, stay motivated, invest in yourself, and I will see you guys back next time.